So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get ChatGPT 4.1 with 99,999 tokens, including a free API key for your project. First, go to the description box of this video and you'll see a GitHub link for this open source project. From this free and open source project, you can get a free API key for ChatGPT and DeepSeek AI. At the time of recording this video, this project has 31,000 stars and 2,000 forks, which suggests that it's a very good project on GitHub. Many people like it, so it's worth trying. It's from a Chinese developer, so all the information provided is in Chinese language. If you don't understand Chinese language, like me, use a translator. A quick note, guys, due to privacy and security concerns, I wouldn't recommend using this for your main work. Instead, use it as a hobby or test project. For free, you can only use the ChatGPT API and the DeepSeek API. Other models are available under a paid plan, which I would not recommend buying. It's not worth it. I highly encourage you to read all the documentation provided on the GitHub project page before continuing with this tutorial. Here, you will find a note that basically tells you the server status. Always check the server status if you face any issues while using this API. As you can see here, all the services are working properly, so everything should work normally. If you scroll down further, you will see an option for a free API key. Before you click on this link, make sure you are logged in with your GitHub account. It's possible to get multiple API keys if you have more than one GitHub account. I'm logged in with my GitHub account on github.com, and I simply click on the provided link. If you are linking your account for the first time, you will need to accept the permissions. I've already completed that step. On the next screen, you will see your free API key. Simply copy and paste it somewhere safe. Now you have to choose between two hosts. You can use either one. If one does not work for you, try the other. Okay, now it's time to test if ChatGPT 4 is working. If you scroll down more, you will see instructions for using the API key on different apps and projects, such as the Cider app and JetBrains plugin. But for this video, I will show you the simplest and easiest way to use the API key on your phone. On your Android phone, go to the Google Play Store and search for ChatBox. Install this application from the Google Play Store and open it. When you open the app for the first time, you'll see an option that says Use My Own API Key. Choose that option, then select OpenAI API. After that, simply copy and paste your API key and the host address. If it gets stuck for a long time, try changing the host address to the other one. As you can see, our connection to the server is successful, indicated by a green message. If you like, you can change the default chat model to ChatGPT 4.1, or you can change it later. Now, your ChatGPT 4.1 is now free to use. Let's test the chatbot to see if it's working properly or not. And there you have it, free ChatGPT 4.1 for free. One last part, how to check the number of tokens you have on your API. To find that, go back to the GitHub project page and click on the Balance Enquiry link. Then copy and paste your API key into the given box to check the number of tokens left on your account. So this is how you can get free ChatGPT 4.1 with an API key for your project. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions or face any issues, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.